Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my platform. So in case you are hearing any noise, guys, pardon me. I'm in the train station of my city. Train station. Yes, I'm waiting for my boss to take me to the big shopping mall in this city. I want to go and get some things for Nevan because they just resumed school this morning and today is Tuesday. So I'm heading there. I'm not going up by myself. I'm going with this guy. So this is my bodyguard. According to one Italian, I say that's your bodyguard for your husband. So it's just two of us that is going together. Okay, let's go, guys. Hey guys, we are here at the shopping mall. Look at this shopping mall. I love this decoration this Christmas. So this has been all before the Christmas. Here is still up. They have not taken it down yet, and it's so cute. I said let me just show it to you guys, and I appreciate the handwork of these people. They are really doing a great work on this shopping mall. Look at this. Just take a good look at this, guys. So cute. I love this place. I love it. So let me just take you guys through it. So this is the shop where I'm coming to pick up things for Nevan. Yes, this shop. Normally, this shop, they are very affordable and it's good if you have kids that are going to school and you need a new clothes for them to be going to school. You can just visit this shop. Its name is Pepco. Yes, Pepco. I forgot to show at the entrance the name of this shop. Is very, very nice. If you have kids that are going to school or park, just come to this place. You will love what they have for us here. You can find a pair of trousers for 6 euro, as low as 5 euro, even 10 euro above. It's very, very cheap and very, very affordable. Anyway, so I come here to pick for Nevan because they have resumed school. Anyway, Nevan is just 4 and he wear 8 to 9 or 9 to 10 years, one of the above. It depends on the making of the shirt or the clothes. So I just come to this place to pick 1 or 2, 3 complete. So I end up picking up to 5 complete for him. And if, as I have said before, so affordable. Guys, this is everything that I've picked. So I have to pick this water bottle for him. I need to change his water bottle. I've been using it since he got into this school. So I end up paying 51 euro something. Is that not a good deal? It's very nice. So I head up to this H&M and they are on sales too. I could not just get everything for Neva and not buy anything for Natasha. So I just went there. I look at this pair of jeans. I know he will like this pair of jeans. I just take a look at them. I pick the blue and the black for him, and both of them was 29 euro. It's just like 30 euro. And I pick one other shirt too for her. So nice. Hey, you smiling? That's great. Choo-choo. Waiting for our boss to go back home. Oh my God, my G. See this boy grow these 2 teeth. Close your teeth.
The next day. The next day.
Bye.